Boom! 23 days till Christmas, boys and girls. The clocks are ticking and Christmas is fast approaching. Welcome back to Vlogmas, everyone. It's day 2 of December the 2nd, and we are having a cracker. So, if you've been following the channel for a while, you will know that I installed some turn signal intakes, courtesy of Moss Europe. And don't they look the absolute nuts? But there is one huge issue which I've noticed with them since installing them, and we're going to be fixing that in today's episode. So yeah, I'll take a seat and show you what we've got and talk you through the problem. On the standard unit, you have your daytime running light and your turn signal, aka indicator. So on my car, the bulb which actually was in there for the indicator was a white bulb, but since the factory unit had like a amber tint in there, the bulb projected amber. So when you're indicating, you have the amber indicator, as it should be. But on the Moss unit, there is no amber tint. So what I actually noticed when I was driving, I was pulled up behind the car, indicating to go left, and it was flashing white, and I was like, shit son, we've got to sort that out, because obviously that's not legal and that's not how it's meant to be. But we're super stoked because one of the long-term sponsors of the channel, a company called JDM A-Star, which is an LED bulb manufacturer based in America, have sent me out some awesome LED bulbs, which one is going to be an upgrade from the standard bulb which I had, and 2, they flash amber, so we're all good on that front. So, the bulbs I've been sent out in question are their 3030 SMD high power 1157 LED bulbs. So I'll leave a link in the description for these down below and a link to those guys' website. They've got a massive sale on at the moment, so if you need any bulbs for your car or for your MX-5, check those guys out. They are the ones to go to. But I hear you asking, what makes these different from other LED bulbs on the market? Because it's fair to say there's loads of manufacturers out there doing a similar thing. Well, each bulb has a 14-piece 3030 2-watt high-power chip inside, and that sounds pretty mad. It probably doesn't mean a lot to most people, but most bulbs on the market use a 1-watt or 0.5-watt chip in there, so this has a lot more power than your standard bulb for its application. They also have a lumen output of 1,500 lumens per bulb, which is pretty good, and they're 600K LED bulbs. So for the function, considering they're only turn signals, they're really, really awesome. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and switch these over, show you how it's done, but it's very, very straightforward. So I'm pretty sure anyone can do this at home. It's going to be very similar from car to car. It's just about accessing the bulb and switching them over. Right, so what we're going to need is we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Bish bash bosh, we've got that bad boy. So let's go over to the MX-5. If you saw my previous video fitting these, it's really straightforward. I'm not going to go through how to undo Phillips head screws, but go watch the video if you want to know how to install these or how to take out the stock unit. Bada bing, bada boom. They're in, so let's have a look what they look like when the car started up and we indicate. Cool, so our indicators are on. As you can see, they're nice and bright. Put it up, they're working. So the bulbs are in and they look absolutely epic. I'm actually a bit blinded, my eyes are going a bit flashy, because those things are super, super bright, especially when they're not encapsulated in the actual casing for the turn signal. But yeah, really, really pleased with those. So if you're interested in anything like that, any LED bulbs, any of that shebang, then be sure to head over to the JDM A-Star website. But anyway, cracking on with the day. I've recently got something over the last couple of weeks, which I haven't actually mentioned on the channel at all. You may have seen it in the background for some videos, but yeah, let's flip the camera and show you what I've got for the garage. As you can see, we've gone ahead and got a welder. That's it, I've got a welder. It's a Sealy Mighty MIG 90, and I've got to please say at first, I have no experience with welding whatsoever, hence why I bought a MIG, but I think I'm going to get a TIG soon as well, because it's a lot more, I can use it on a lot more applications. So yeah, this will help me learn how to weld, learn the sort of what amperage is, everything like that, which we need to be welding at. And then I'll move on to the TIG, which is when I'll be able to hopefully refine my skills a bit more, and hopefully we can do some proper fabrication and welding on the channel. So yeah, really stoked with this. I haven't actually practiced yet, and I really need to. So I need to get some metal, which I can practice on, which is what I have right here, some steel. So what we're going to do is, with that, we're going to be building some of the brackets for the diffuser. Now, we might not need to weld those, but with whatever we have left, we're definitely going to be doing some practice welding on as well. So yeah, I'm really gassed to bring some fabrication to the channel and start stepping up my game in terms of working on cars, because it's going to allow me to do a lot more on the car and to really change things quite drastically. And obviously for the arches, we're going to have to weld those up on the rear as well. So I'm going to have to learn pretty quickly. And I haven't used the kit yet, so I can't really give a comprehensive review on what it's like. Only thing I'm very disappointed with is the mask it came with. Now obviously you can see I've got some ski goggles around that, and that's why I'm disappointed. There is no strap or anything to hold it to your head, and the only way which you can hold it is with a little handle on front. So you're meant to hold this over your face whilst welding with one hand. So I've kind of modified these for the time being, but I'm going to have to get a proper welding mask over the next few weeks before I start doing some proper fabrication, because yeah, I could tell already that's going to be an absolute ball ache. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave the video there. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Tomorrow, on day 3 of Vlogmas, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the rear Rocket Bunny arches on Mia. So they're going to look epic, and I can't wait to see what they look like on the car. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.